morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn how to change meters to kilometer. Suppose we have been told that some place is 2456 meters away. So we know that 2000 meters is 2 kilometer. So how we are supposed to write this, we are going to learn with the help of my computer. I am going to explain it simultaneously and do it on the computer. So let us change meters into kilometers and meters. Changing meter to kilometer and meter. Now children, we know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. 9000 meter is equal to 9 kilometer. 15,000 meter is equal to 15 kilometer. All this was very simple and easy. Okay, now let us consider a case where the distance between two places was 4520 meters. Now, if I want to find out how many kilometers and meters are there in 4520 meters, so how will I do? 4520 meters is equal to 4000 meter plus 520 meters. Now children, 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer and 520 meters are the extra distance. So 4520 meter is 4 kilometer 520 meter. Let us take another example and change 700 Let us take another example and change 7845 meters to kilometer and meter. Now 7845 is equal to 7000 plus 845 meters. Now this 7000 is also meter and 845 is also meters. Now children, 7000 meter is 7 kilometer and along with this we have to write these 845 meter also, because this distance is less than a kilometer, but this is a part of 7845 meter. Okay, let us do a few more examples. Changing 6780 meters to kilometer and meter. Now in this there are 6000 meters. So I will write down 6000 meters plus 780 meters. Now children, 6000 meters is 6 kilometers, and along with it there is 780 meters. So now I am going to teach you the trick. Now see children, last 3 digits, they are forming a number which is 520. So this is the meter portion here, and whatever is remaining after that, that remaining is 4. So that is the kilometer. See, 4 kilometer, 520 meter. Look at this one. The number formed by the last 3 digits, that is the meter part, and whatever is remaining, that is the kilometer part. So 7 kilometer 845 meter. Look at this example also. The number formed by the last 3 digits is the meter part, and whatever is left is the kilometer part. Even in these examples, you can see the last 3 digits are zeros. So that is the reason we are writing only 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer and 0 meter. There is no need to write 0 meter. Here also last 3 digits are 0. So we have written 2 kilometer. In this again last 3 digits are 0. So we have written only 3 kilometer here. Okay, now we will now do a few examples with the help of the trick. 8,917 meters. Now children, this is the meter portion and this is the kilometer portion. So I will write down, this is equal to 8 kilometer 917 meters. Okay, another example now. 6,425 meter. Now the number formed by the last 3 digits is the meter part, and whatever is remaining is the kilometer part. So this is equal to 6 kilometer 425 meter. Okay, one more example. 14,805 meters. Now here also the number formed by the last 3 digits is the meter part and remaining number is the kilometer part. So this would be 14 kilometer 805 meter. Okay, now if we have 23,075 meter. Now, if I have to change it into kilometer and meter, the last 3 digits is the meter part and the remaining is the kilometer part. So I will write it as 23 kilometer, and I can write it as 075, or I can leave this 0 and straight away write down 75 meter, because 0 in the front has no value. So I can leave this 0. Okay, another example. 15,009 meter. Now again children, the number formed by the last 3 digits is the meter part, whatever is remaining is the kilometer part. So this is 15 kilometer 9 meter or 009 meter, both are correct. So either you can write like this or you can write like this, 15 kilometer 009 meter. Both are correct. I hope children you would have understood how to change meters to kilometer and meter. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.